today's Runaway Railway.
Bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! Fall! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train! Not a chance!
Hooray, hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Whoa!
Oh no. Gosh, everyone! Looks like we're experiencing a brief.
Well, apparently, we might get 101'd off of this ride. So much for this beautiful video. Stand by. We heard an announcement that we're supposed to stay here until they walk us on.
Attention, runaway railway riders. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties. Please remain seated in your train car until a cast member arrives to assist you. Thank you.
And Donald's looking guilty. I'll show you. Look at Donald over there looking all suspicious.
I'm telling you, it's
As we are sitting here waiting for a representative to help us, we have found a hidden Mickey up on this sign. Can you see it? Ooh, my finger gets really big right up there. See? Well, we got evacuated. So maybe we'll try to ride it again later today. I don't know, but there's a line of people coming off the ride. So I guess you'll have to watch and see if I have another video where I can show you the whole thing.
It wasn't my fault.
I blame Foo. No, I blame Donald. All right. Bye, guys.